Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to limit screen time on iPhone. Limiting screen time on your iPhone can help you manage how much time you spend on apps, websites, and overall device usage. Here's how to set it up. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Screen Time. In the Screen Time menu, tap Add Limit. Choose a category, for example, social, games, entertainment, or just choose all apps and categories. So for example, I choose social, then I choose Facebook, then I tap Next. Set the amount of time you want to allow for the selected category or apps. You can customize the limit for each day by tapping Customize Days. Then, tap Add to confirm. Now, in the Screen Time menu, tap Downtime, toggle Downtime on, and set a schedule for where you want only certain apps, like phone calls or messages, to be available. During downtime, all other apps will be blocked, though you can allow some apps if necessary. Now, let's set communications limits. At the Screen Time menu, tap Communication Limits. Set limits on who can contact you during screen time or downtime, including contacts only, specific contacts, or everyone. Now, let's use Content and Privacy Restriction. At the Screen Time menu, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions on, then control specific apps, content ratings, web content, and other privacy settings to limit access to certain types of content. By using these features, you can effectively manage and limit your screen time on your iPhone, helping you or your child maintain a healthy balance with technology. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.